Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have Volkswagen Passat 2014 model. I'm going to show you at the East location, and I'm going to show you how to the car is. Let's go to the video. One fuse box location in the driver side. We have one fuse box. Okay, this one fuse box, and other one inside the engine bay. Let's go to the engine bay. Open the bonnet. Okay, here you can see another. And this you can open. Okay, here. This is the second fuse box. You can check one by one. Okay. See the multimeter. You can see here. This multimeter you rotate to ampere, 10 ampere. Then this one you put here. Okay. You need to set the multimeter like this. Then you need to all door off. Let's go to it. Open the battery negative terminal. This one I'm going to open the negative terminal. Before this, I need to tell you need to open all fuse box location so then we can easily reach to location. Okay. Now you open the battery terminal. Okay, like this. Then take your multimeter. This is the multimeter setting. Okay, like this. Then plug this one to the negative terminal here like this, and this one for the battery. Okay, like this. Now you can see the reading. Now we need to lock the vehicle and let the vehicle to sleep. Okay, now let's go to the lock the vehicle. Okay, let's see this one lock. Now I'm going to lock the door. And lock the door. Okay, lock the door. Now take the key and lock the door. Okay. Now we have to wait till at least 30 minutes to let the car sleep. Okay, this is the value after 30 minutes, but I think this car don't have current leak. If this value below than 0.05, it means don't have current leak. If more than 0.05, there's a current leak. So I'm going to show you how to check the current leak without take out the fuse by using the another multimeter. So this is my multimeter. You can set the value to the voltage. Then I will show you how to check the fuse. I'm going to check the fuse like this. Set the multimeter. Then here like this fuse. Okay, now you can see the value 0. If value 0 means that area don't have the current leak. Okay, if there is a value, it means there is a current leak. So easily you can take out the fuse, then you can check this value is come to the 0.05 or less. So this car in this case don't have the current leak like this. So is 0. So it means don't have the current lead. If you find any value from the fuse, then you take out the fuse. After that, you take the multimeter. The value should be lower, less than 0.05. So then you take out the fuse, then check that fuse connect to where. Find the location, check the wiring. So then currently you need to check the wiring. Then fix that. Hopefully you learn something from the video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. See you next video.